Welcome to another one of my lame as fuck videos. It's 36 degrees in my garage right now, which means it's single digits outside. That's why I'm inside. This is one of the best upgrades, modifications you can do to your FJ Cruiser, whether you are a mall cruiser, a cars and coffee queen, or a Foverlander. This thing keeps all your shit right here, easily accessible and visible. You need to put in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 holes you got to drill in there. You don't even need to take this off. And then I've got a little support on there because I got probably 10 pounds of shit in there. So speaking of shit, what kind of shit do I have in here, and can I get rid of some of this stuff? Let's take a look. And just like that, I am emptied out and got my shit laid out for inspection. Okay, first thing, and I could probably do away with this, but I'm not. I use this when I'm at camp. I stick this in the ground or in a tree or something to display my colors. A towel, absolute necessity. A flashlight. Okay, so this, very bright, very direct, narrow spot. And it's got some floodlight on there. This was given to me by a manufacturer in exchange for a review. I liked it enough, even got the charger, to keep it in my truck. Mora knife, gotta have that. Comes in handy all the time, must have. A Spork. My cooler normally sits here. I got my table on my door, and this is where I will eat lunch or have a snack. 550 cord, always use this. Doesn't matter what it is, whether it's to tie up a tarp or tie down something or hang something, always comes in handy. Your tailgate window opener, keeper opener. I don't even think they make these anymore. Very nice to keep your back window propped open and locked and secured. Webbing, 1-inch webbing. I typically use this tied from here around all my gear and then back tied over to here, just so when I slam on the brakes, everything doesn't end up in the front seat or in front of the dash. Another piece of garbage that was given to me by a manufacturer in exchange for a review. I use this from time to time to tie things down in the truck, outside the truck, even if it's just my recovery box here in the back, and I strap it down just to keep it from moving around. My switchblade saw, you've seen that video. If not, the link will be up there. Again, this is my air down tool now. Stick this over the valve stem, press that down, and I time it on my watch, a certain amount of seconds to air down. That's my new air down tool. And this is going really quick. This is a whisk broom, and this, we see a little redundancy, but this is stiffer. I got this so that when my feet get muddy, I can use this to clean off the shit before I go into my truck. And then this is more for just keeping things tidy. Electrical tape. Being an electrician for my whole life, I can make a whole video 30 minutes long and tell you why you want some electrical tape back here. But for me, I basically use it. This is my first aid kit. What's in the pill container, they ask. Vaseline coated cotton balls. Easiest way to start a fire. Should I get stranded and have to spend the night somewheres? This is a quick, easy way for me to get a fire. A rubber band, I don't know where that came from. Didn't break. We'll keep that back there. Doesn't take up any room. And then here's the only thing I got that's redundant. 100% Deet, and then just some Cutter, more mosquito bug repellent. I use them both different times, different reasons. All depends on the bugs and where I'm at. Lame fucking video. Links for any of this crap, if there's links for it, will be in the description, as will a link to my Amazon store for cool FJ overlanding stuff. If there's something in here that I am missing, that I overlooked, that I'm not thinking about, that you might recommend, leave me a comment. You never know, I might use it. That's it. I'm out of here. See ya.